Hey guys, what's up? I did some cards yesterday, made some little girls, and then I also went to Joann today. So, let me show you what I got at Joann. I got all these papers. They were 10 for $2. So I got this one, thinking it would be really cute with the confetti. Is it confetti wishes? I think it is. So there's 3 of those. Maybe it already goes with it. I have no idea where this collection is from, so I'm not sure. This as well. Isn't this pretty? The flamingo. Here's some. Here, let me put this the right way. I think that would be really pretty with the confetti wishes as well. This, I think, goes with that one. Is it Good Vibes? Is that it? I have some chipboard. So I thought this would go with it. And then when I went to the Dollar Tree today, I got 3 things, which is 2 of these, just for some storage down here. But look at this. Don't you think that would look really cute? Some washi tape. I thought that, I'm usually not a fan of the washi tape because, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't stick that well, but I thought that looked really cute together. So I'll try it out. I haven't tried it in a couple of years, so we'll see. This one is super cute. I could just use these for cut aparts. This has to be the confetti wishes. So this, and then this one. I like those. This I thought would go good with the Hooray collection. And as well as this. So I got 2 of those. This. I'm not even sure. Maybe this, I don't know what collection this is from. And then this one I know is an Amy Tangerine. I'm pretty sure. And then I thought that would go good with the summer lights that I got yesterday. And then I thought this would go, I think this is Hooray. This looks familiar. I could be wrong, but I thought that would go well with it too. So those were 10 sheets of paper for $2. Got that. Joann. Then they had buy 2 Miss Sparkle & Co. get 1 free. So I got this one because I thought that would go well with the confetti wishes too. I think it's cute. I'm not usually into tropical, but I'm like, so summer, why not? That gives me like 80s, 90s vibes. My goodness, my cat's meowing. What's wrong? What's wrong? That's all. Yeah. So I just got some little brads. I didn't have any of that size. And then this one. There's only 8 sheets in here, but I think it's thick. It's pretty thick. Glitter, glitter, foil, foil. And 2 of each. Okay. This here, and here, and here, and here were all 75% off. So I ended up paying next to nothing. Like this was $1.24. Regularly $4.99. So I got 24 of those. I think they'd be cute for the party hats I was making. These were 99 cents. So $1. Cute. I already have one similar to this and I haven't used it, and this was $1.24 as well. Cute. Okay. So this was in the kids section, and I thought it'd be really cute. It was on clearance for $3.97. I think it's pretty. I love all those colors. There were only 2 of them, and they were like on some weird end cap randomly laying down. So that's that. Then the last 2 things. This was in the bead section. And I did use my 40% off with this, I do believe. I thought those were really pretty. And then this was in the kids section. No, this was half off anyway, I think. I don't know. Or I can't. Anyway, I think they were both $4.99, and this I might have used 40% off on. Look at that. That was in the kids section. I don't know if you can see. But they already have some little charm pieces inserted, but aren't those pretty? Okay, that's all from there. What I was gonna show you that I made yesterday were my little girls. So I did make my pirate girls. Isn't she cute? So I love her. And then here's her sister. They're so cute. And then here's a card I made with my mermaid girl, and I added sunglasses on her. Oh, I love that. And I popped her up on foam. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. I love that. And then the last one I made, mermaid hair don't care. She's so cute. I love that collection. Have a magical birthday. I love it. I think that's all I've done, actually. So I'm gonna make some more, see what I can do. Thanks for watching. Bye.